back then to do. And our topic today is, what do you want? Not what do you want for the other person, not what your mama wants for you, not what your society wants for you. It's what you want for yourself. And the reason why I think I see many of your eyes right now a little bit like, oh, I'm not sure I want to touch it, is because I believe answering this question of what do you want leads to a lot of inner friction. Why? It's just the truth. It's the truth about you. It's the truth about what you want. Why answering that question leads to a friction? Because once you know what you want, once you have this clarity of what you want, then you also have the responsibility to act upon it. And that's scary. It is. I'm not here to say it's not.